Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today in this video we will again try to solve multiplication of matrices. As we have learned in previous video that for two matrices to be compatible for multiplication, two matrices are compatible for multiplication when number of columns in first matrix equals number of rows in second matrix. Two matrices are compatible for multiplication only when number of columns in first matrix equals number of rows in second matrix. If number of columns in first matrix doesn't equal number of rows in second matrix, then both matrices will not be compatible for multiplication, which means that these matrices can't be multiplied. And order of resultant matrix, the order of the result of the multiplication of two matrices will be of order number of rows in first matrix cross number of columns in second matrix. Means the resultant matrix will have number of rows which are equal to number of rows of first matrix and will have number of columns which will be equal to number of columns in the second matrix. Let's suppose we have matrix A which is of order 3 rows 3 columns 3 by 3, and B also 3 rows 3 columns. So number of columns in first matrix, that is A, is 3, and number of rows in B is 3. So number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Both are 3. So these matrices are compatible for multiplication. Now we will solve, and the order of resultant matrix would be 3 by 3. What will be the procedure of multiplication? Each row of first matrix will get multiplied by 1. Each row of first matrix will get multiplied by each row of second column. First of all, we will multiply the first row with first column, then first row with second column, then first row with third column, then second row with first column, second row with second column, second row with third column, then third row with first column, third row with second column, third row with third column. Each row will get multiplied by each column on its turn, 1 by 1. First of all, we will multiply first row with first column. This is first column. This row has 3 elements and this column has 3 elements. Each element will get multiplied by its respective element, and means first element will get multiplied by first element. First element is 1. First element is 1. So 1 will get multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by 1. Then second element will get multiplied by second element. Second element is 2 here. Here also 2. So 2 will get multiplied by 2. 2 will be multiplied by 2. And third element is 1. Here third element is 5. So 1 will get multiplied by 5. So 1 multiplied by 5. And we will add all of these. Then again, for with second column, the same procedure will be applied for second column. Same procedure for second column. First row will get multiplied by second column. One first element 1 will get multiplied by first element, which is 3. 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2, which is second element, will get multiplied by second element 1. 2 multiplied by 1. 1 third element will get multiplied by third element. 1 multiplied by 3. Now the turn of first row and third column. First row with first column, first row with second column, and now first row with third column. 1 first element will get multiplied by first element, which is 1. 2 second element will get multiplied by 2, which is second element. 1 third element which get multiplied by 2 third element. So we will have, so space is limited. 1 will get multiplied by 1 plus 2 by 2 plus 1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 1 by 2. So here we close it. So order of first row is completed. Now we will go to second row. We will rub it. Now second row will get multiplied by first column, then second row with second column, then second row with third column. Second row with first column, first element with first element, which is 1. Second element with second element, third element with third element. So 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 5. Now first with, I will rub it a little bit. Now first row, second row with second column. 2 will get multiplied by 3. 3 will get multiplied by 1, and 1 will get multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. Now second row and third column. Second row with third column. First element by first element, 2 by 1, 3 by 2, space is limited, plus 1 by 2. 2 by 1, 3 by 2, and 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now it's turn of third row. Likewise, we have multiplied first row and second row. We will multiply third row also. So third row, first column, 4 will get multiplied by 1, 1 will get multiplied by 2, 3 will get multiplied by 5, and we'll add each of these. 4 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Likewise, third row and second column. 4 will get multiplied by 3, so we can understand it easily. So third row with second column. 4 would get multiplied by 3, 1 by 1 and 3 by 3. 1 by 1 and 3 by 3. Likewise, 4 by third row, third column. 4 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now we will add all of these. 1 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 4 plus 2. 1 plus 4 plus 2. 2 plus 6 plus 5. 2 plus 6 plus 5. 6 plus 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3 plus 3. 2 plus 6 plus 2. 2 plus 6 plus 2. 4 plus 2 plus 15. And 12 plus 1 plus 9. 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. 5, 5, 10. 6, 8. 7. 13. 12. 10. 6, 21. 10, 22. 12. So this is our resultant matrix, and its order is 3 rows, 3 columns. So the resultant matrix is of order 3 cross 3. Again, we will look at, we will revise. Each row will get multiplied by each column, one by one on its own. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Oh, second row, first column, second row, third column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. And each element will get multiplied by its respective element. First element with first, second with second, third with third, and with all will, and then we will add all of them and arrange them in its order, in the order number of rows in first matrix cross number of columns in second matrix. The positions will be of columns of second matrix. We will place them at the position of second matrix. So this way we will get our multiplication solution. Thank you.